Hello everyone, welcome back to our Lifestyle Family A and B channel. Today I will be making Lebana, a Middle Eastern strained yogurt. It has the consistency of cream cheese. It's a little bit salty, a little tangy, creamy, and very delicious. So for this recipe, you'll need a quart of whole fat plain yogurt. You can use goat milk yogurt, sheep milk yogurt, or cow milk yogurt. What matters is that it is whole fat and plain flavor. You'll also need 1 1/4 teaspoon of salt. In this recipe, when I made it and recorded the video, I used about 3/4 of a teaspoon, and I found that was not enough. You will also need a sieve, as you can see here, and a cheesecloth or tea towel, which I have on top, as well as a large bowl to catch all of the water that will drip away from our yogurt. So Greek yogurt is regular yogurt that has been strained somewhat, and this is going to end up being even thicker than Greek yogurt. It will not be liquidy at all. It's going to be like a disc of cheese, and for that reason, a lot of people call Lebana a cheese, but actually it is just a strained yogurt with some salty flavor to it. So you need to twist the cloth tightly around your yogurt. That's what's going to help it form a firm disc at the end, and you want to tuck away the tip of the cheesecloth or tea towel so that it doesn't come unraveled, because this will need to sit on your counter in a corner of the kitchen from anywhere from 24 to 48 hours. So you can go about your business as you are waiting. This is mine after about 36 hours of waiting. So anywhere between 24 and 48 hours, it's perfectly fine to go ahead and unwrap it. If you want it a little more dense, you can wait longer. The water, of course, we will throw out, and then you unwrap it and you will have your final product of Lebana. As you can see, it's firm, it's smooth, and it should crumble easily between your fingers. A little more crumbly than what a cream cheese would be, but just as spreadable and delicious. You can serve this with pita, with bagels, you can have it with crackers, and it is going to impress any guests that you are feeding. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please click like and subscribe if you'd like to see more recipes like this. See you guys next time.